Hey y'all, I'm Christina, the owner of Salon the Volume, and today we're going to talk about a refresh on your hair after day 2 or day 3 of shampooing your hair. So I'm going to just show you a couple of tips about how to refresh your hair and also protect it in the meantime. So the first product I'm going to use is Oribe. It's the Mystify Restyling Spray, and what you're going to do here is you're going to just lightly spray the areas that you're going to re-blow dry. You can do your whole hair, but for me, I'm going to redo my bangs. So what you're going to do is just going to spray a little bit there. The great thing about this product is it has some heat protection in there. It's going to just refresh that style. So you can just spray it a little bit like that, and then I'm going to blow dry it. Okay, there you go. So you can see it gives it a lot of shine. It just refreshes the look of your hair. So you can do that through your whole hair, or you can just do little spots that you're trying to retreat. The next step I'm going to do is I'm going to use the Gold Lust dry shampoo. This is a great product to use to absorb any little excess oils that you have. You can actually use it right after you shampoo your hair and spray it in your hair to then help absorb the oils as you go through the days. But you can also use it on your day 2 or day 3 as well. So the great thing about this product is you just lift your hair like this, and you're going to just spray it at your roots like this, just to absorb those extra oils, and just kind of spray it throughout the hair. So the great thing about products like this is that it's got a heavy spray, and what the trick to do this is to lift the hair and kind of spray up underneath. Okay, so that just absorbs any of the oils. It just refreshes the root area so it looks real nice and fresh. And the other product I'm going to use is the Gold Lust Dry Heat Protection Spray. So this one's a great one. This one's the one that just came out, and it's a great dry protection spray for your heat. So it's going to protect your hair up to 450 degrees. So it's a great product to put on your hair as you're going to restyle your hair with a curling iron. So the same way, you're just going to lift your hair and spray it throughout. Okay, and next I'm going to show you a couple of tips about how to restyle your hair in a great way to get just that soft, beachy wave. So I'm going to use the Bionic, this one, the 1.5 inch or 1.25 inch barrel. And a great way to get some loose curls is to kind of alternate the curls. So I'll show you kind of how to do that. So one key is to kind of leave some of the ends out and then work your way up. And kind of twist on the way down. Grab a little section. And this time you're going to go the opposite direction. Leaving a little bit out and going all the way up. The one thing I love about this curling iron is it's a long barrel, so it's great for long hair and getting even coverage. So I'm twisting it on the way down. Grab another section. And again, I'm alternating, so this time I'm going to go back. Twist on the way out and just kind of pull down. Okay, alternate and go forward. Leaving just a little bit of the ends out. And twist on the way down. Okay, last one. And it's good to have all the hair in the front to be going towards the back. So when you get to that last section, have that go away from your face. Loosen and twist on the way down. And the good thing is it gives it a beautiful curl and it's going alternating, but let it set for just a few minutes. You don't want to touch the hair while it's still warm. You want it to let it cool. That's going to set the curl, and then I can run my fingers through it to loosen it up. Now I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. And then while it's cooling, you can finish your spray with the Imperméable spray. Again, I know this in another video, I shared this. This is my favorite finishing spray. It's really lightweight. I love the shine that it gives to your hair, and it's also just an anti-humidity hairspray, so it keeps your hair from growing, helps it keep from getting frizzy. So I will put all these products at the bottom, and so you guys can have see all the benefits of them, and I'll show you the tools that I used as well. So this one, you're just going to spray just throughout the hair. Being careful not to touch the curls yet. You really just want to let them cool. Okay, now the hair is nice and cool. The curls have cooled down. So the next thing I do is just use my fingers, and you're just going to rake through the hair and just break up those curls. And same thing on the other side. So it gives you a nice tousled look. You can see that the curls go back and forth, so you're not getting just a consistent one direction. And it just gives you that really beautiful, just beachy look. And there you have it. That's how you style your hair with the products that I recommend for Oribe for your second to third day hair.